Welcome to Cybrary. I'm Raymond Evans and I will be your subject matter expert for Cybrary's web app penetration testing course. In this video we will be discussing why do websites get hacked and the hacker methodology. So what will be covered? We're going to cover why websites are hacked, a quick overview of the common web app vulnerabilities, then we're going to go in depth about the hacker methodology. So why do websites get hacked? Websites are a large attack surface. As companies automate more of their products and services, that attack surface grows immensely. Developmental constraints factor into this vulnerability as well. Increased demand with limited time for development and testing increase the flaws in web applications. Increase in more information available online and increased vulnerabilities make websites pretty easy prey for attackers. A lot of times companies will just spit out new web applications. They want their website to now do widget X, and they have to get widget X on the market as quick as they can, because if they don't, their opposing company who's also working on a similar widget X, well, they're going to beat them to it and people are going to move to their company. So they're going to push the developers as hard and as quick as they can. And those developers, with a lack of time and money and, not proper and maybe improper education for secure app development and web application development, are going to churn out a product that isn't the most stellar product that you can really think of. So that's why websites get hacked. So what are some of the common attack vectors? Well, there's cross-site scripting, or XSS. This is used to inject code into a website and bypass access controls. SQL injection is used to enumerate databases and steal information. Local file inclusion allows an attacker to traverse a file system. Remote file inclusion allows an attacker to execute a remote file on a web server to steal data. And then URL manipulation allows an attacker to gain access or information from a website when poor user controls are implemented. So what's the hacker methodology? Well, there's steps for attacking a target, which if followed properly can result in a successful attack. So when you're performing a web pen test, this is something you want to do too. You want to step through and follow every single one of these processes to get the best product that you can for whoever you're delivering a report to. So first it starts with footprinting. So it's passively gaining information. Then we're going to scan and map the network. After we scan and map the network, we're going to enumerate and find vulnerabilities. Then we can gain access by performing penetration. Then you'll want to maintain access. Something like creating a new user account on the system that you can log in with, or setting up some kind of backdoor to constantly call out to a listener that you may have. And then finally, you're going to want to cover your tracks. So alter logs and hide your activity, or even delete the logs, so that way the logs don't even exist. So first, footprinting. There are many ways to perform footprinting on a target. You can perform ping sweeps, which are used to identify machines on an IP range that may be active. This is going to be loud, and somebody could find you with a ping sweep. Unless you do it very, very slowly, then you're less likely to get caught. You can use Whois, which is an open source information database about companies such as IP addresses and contact info. You can use Google hacking, aka Google dorking, which uses Google search engine with specialized queries to gain information. And then finally, you can use the Internet Time Machine at archive.org to view older versions of a website. This will give you an insight into trends or view information that was posted on a website accidentally. So sometimes things might get posted on a website and might stay up there for a day or two, and then somebody realizes, oh crap, this isn't supposed to be there, and then they delete it. Well, that archive.org website takes pictures and snapshots of these web pages, and that information could still be there. So first we're going to show you the Whois here. So we went to the Whois page, we typed in google.com and we looked it up. And from this we can find the contact information for the admin, the tech team, the registrant, and all this information can be used for social engineering. And in fact, it can be also used if you want to perform a physical attack as well in your assessment. So if you want to actually go to a location and see, how well you can social engineer the individuals at the location, this information becomes really important. we go down further, you can find the name servers and more information that can help you plan an attack better against your target. So who is information is very, very important information and for you to look up. And then next we have the Internet Wayback Machine. So you can click anywhere on this Wayback Machine. So select 2010. And pick a random date and random time. And here we see an old version of this web page. Now we can go even further back. Just give you a better idea of what you can see. You can go as far back to see the very first versions of the web pages that ever existed. And here we can see the Google search engine prototype. So the Wayback Machine can be very, very helpful when trying to find pieces of information that may have been leaked on the internet. And finally we have Google Dorking. So we typed cydef.com, which is my web page, and so that pulls up every page for cydef.com. We go through and see every page for cydef. Well, we can then add file type PDF, and it'll give us every PDF that is located on that web page. So this can be useful for finding things that may be on the web page and internet facing out to the internet that they necessarily might not want facing out to the internet. So sometimes people put internal network maps on there. Somebody from the IT team who doesn't know better might put that on there. Internal phone directories may be on there as well. So all kinds of awesome information can be found by just changing these file types here and trying to look for different files that may be available on a web page.